That's on. So just to be clear, this is on only for the weight. It is not going to be driven. It cannot turn. It can spin a little, but it will not be powered by the weapon motor. It's just to get the weight for driving. I'm going to have to pull that out and clean it. I'm only going at about 10-20% throttle there for drive. It's a 3-pound robot working on with someone from BattleBots. It's his design, and I'm just doing the manual labor of it, and it's and driving it, and it drives so nice. This is just tile floor. We do have mag wheels, and I believe this is the AR-500 weapon. It will be an undercutter, so it will sit something like that. Although this isn't this is just a test shaft. So we'll go here, and then we'll have a drive system between here and the weapon motor. Of course, everyone in my house has long hair, and this thing sucks up all the hair. And there's a top cover that goes on this, so. And that's just offbeat.